Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the Tomahawk roof-mounted bike carrier from RockyMounts. The Tomahawk accommodates a wide variety of bike styles, from road bikes to fat tire bikes. Its adjustable arm makes no contact with the frame of your bike, leaving its finish intact. The mounting hardware on the Tomahawk is rather universal, allowing it to fit most factory and aftermarket crossbars. Alongside that adjustable arm, wheel straps are present both front and rear to make sure your bike is secure while you're on the road. If you purchase a 2-pack of RockyMount lock cores separately, you've added the capability to lock the Tomahawk to your vehicle's crossbars, as well as lock the bike to the rack. Prior to use, some assembly of the Tomahawk is required. To begin assembling this bike rack, first remove the front cover. Then, flip the bike rack over and loosen these 2 screws on the bottom. With those loose, slide the front wheel tray into the groove. With that in place, tighten the 2 screws on the bottom to attach the front wheel tray to the rest of the Tomahawk. With the tray complete, the next step is to attach the wheel cradle to the tray. To do this, attach the top piece of the cradle to the base posts, and secure them with 2 screws. For the remainder of the assembly, we found it to be easiest to complete while resting the bike rack on your vehicle's crossbars. If your vehicle is taller, however, completing the remaining steps on a table will work as well. Locate the channel at the end of the wheel tray and insert the rear crossbar mount. Next, at the front of the Tomahawk, insert the 4 bolts into the surrounding holes. The bolts come out of the box with the spacer for standard size crossbars. If you have thicker crossbars, you'll likely want to remove this spacer. In our case, however, we will be leaving the spacer in place. Insert the upper crossbar grip onto the front crossbar mounts in between the bar and the bike rack. Then, loosely thread on the lower bar clamp on each side. Once you have both clamps loosely threaded on, go ahead and fully tighten them to secure the rack to your front crossbar. Repeat the same process to tighten down the rear crossbar mount. There are a couple more steps before the Tomahawk is ready for use. You'll need to insert the wheel strap mechanism into the groove on each side of the tray and attach the end cap. Repeat the same process for the rear wheel strap mechanism as well. And don't forget that end cap. The position of these wheel straps can be adjusted to accommodate a wide variety of different wheelbases. And since the Tomahawk has the capability to carry bikes with up to a 5-inch wide tire, an additional strap extension is included. The last step to complete assembly of the Tomahawk is to reinstall the front cover, making sure to fully snap it back into place. With a fully assembled Tomahawk, you're ready to load a bike. Begin by bringing the arm to the front of the rack like so, and folding out the wheel holder. Undo the wheel straps so that while you're loading your bike, they don't snag on your wheels. From the lowest points on the bike, lift it up onto the roof, setting it down in the tray of the Tomahawk. While holding your bike with one hand, lift the arm into place with the other, and place it as close to the forks of the bike as you can without making contact. Once you have the arm placed in the correct location on the front tire, give the arm a few good pulls to ensure it has a secure hold on your wheel. Route both the front and rear wheel straps through the spokes of the wheel and into the buckle on the other side to fully secure your bike on the Tomahawk. Finally, if you purchase a 2-pack of RockyMount lock cores separately, don't forget to lock your bike to the rack with the core in the arm, and lock everything to your crossbars with the lock core located on the cover. Thank you for checking out our video on the RockyMounts Tomahawk. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.